tight corners, awkward angles, limited space. If you have ever struggled to fit a traditional drill into tight spots, then you know how essential a right angle drill can be. The best cordless right angle drills are designed to deliver power where standard tools cannot reach, giving you precision, control, and flexibility without sacrificing strength. Whether you are a professional contractor or a weekend warrior, these top 5 picks will transform the way you drill. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. DEWALT DCD740B Right Angle Drill. The DEWALT DCD740B is the kind of cordless right angle drill that bridges the gap between power and portability. Built for those who want a reliable, performance-driven tool that can still fit into the tightest corners, it offers a well-rounded package that suits professionals and DIYers alike. One of its key strengths is the dual-speed functionality. The ability to switch between 0 to 650 and 0 to 2000 rotations per minute gives you flexibility for delicate fastening tasks or high-speed drilling. Whether you are working with drywall, softwood, or metal, this DEWALT model can adjust accordingly to deliver the right result. Its compact 4-inch front-to-back length makes it easy to navigate behind beams, under sinks, or between floor joists. Number 4. BOSCH PS11-102 Right Angle Drill Driver. The BOSCH PS11-102 brings something different to the table: flexibility and precision in an incredibly compact form. At only 12 volts, this is a smaller tool, but do not let that fool you. It is purpose-built for tight corners and intricate tasks where control and finesse matter more than brute force. Number 3. Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel Hole AWG Right Angle Drill. When power and professional-grade performance are the priority, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hole AWG Right Angle Drill stands out as a serious contender. It is built for demanding tasks and designed to handle heavy-duty work in construction and industrial environments. Though it is more expensive than some other options, it earns its place through durability, efficiency, and raw performance. This model features Milwaukee's signature brushless motor technology, delivering higher output without overheating or losing efficiency. The standout feature is the quick LOK chuck system, allowing for fast and secure bit changes. With a robust build, it provides exceptional stability when drilling large holes or using it for repetitive, high-intensity tasks. The tool's compact frame is surprising given its power. It maneuvers well into confined framing cavities and behind structural elements, making it ideal for electricians and framers who need to drill through wood studs or joists. Number 2. Ryobi 1 Plus HP Right Angle Drill. If you are looking for a cordless right angle drill that delivers a balance of performance, power, and ease of use, the Ryobi 1 Plus HP brushless model is an exceptional contender. It comes as a tool-only unit, which means it slots right into your existing Ryobi ecosystem. That alone makes it appealing to users already invested in the 1 Plus battery platform. This drill shines with its brushless motor that is engineered for extended lifespan, longer runtime, and more efficient energy use. It outputs up to 350 inch-pounds of torque, which gives it enough muscle for driving large screws and drilling through tougher materials. Number 1. DEWALT Impact Ready Right Angle Attachment for Impact Driver. The DEWALT Dwara 120 is not just a right angle drill, it is a compact solution for navigating those challenging corners and tight working spaces where full-size drills cannot go. What sets it apart and earns it the top spot is its unmatched accessibility and durable construction. With a front-to-back length of just 1.5 inches, it excels in confined spaces like behind sinks, inside cabinets, or between studs. Although it is technically an attachment rather than a full drill, it works seamlessly with any 1/4 inch internal hex impact driver or drill driver, making it highly versatile. The robust magnetic fastener retention system makes it easier to drive screws without dropping bits, an often overlooked but highly practical feature. This tool is small, but its tough metal gear case means it can handle torque from your impact driver without any trouble. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on your favorite model.